Hello students, this is a time for book reading. Are you ready? Harmful effects of fungi. Fungi cause various diseases in plants and animals. They are given in the tables below. Disease caused by fungi in plants. Pathogen Fusarium oxysporum. Name of the disease? Wilt disease in cotton. Cercospora personata. Cercospora personata. Ticca disease in groundnut. Colitotrichum fulcatum. Red rot in sugarcane. Pyricularia oryza. Blast disease in paddy. Albugo candida. White rust in radish. Infobits. Fungi are placed as third kingdom in R.H. Whittaker's 5 kingdom of classification because of absence of chlorophyll and starch. Disease caused by fungi in human. Name of the fungi, name of the disease. Trichophyton species, ringworm, circular rash on the skin. Microsporum furfur, dandruff. Tinea pedis, athlete's foot. More to know. Claviceps purpurea is the hallucinogenic fungi which causes greatest damages to the frustrated youth by giving unreal, extraordinary lightness and hovering sensation. Aspergillus species cause allergy to children, while Cladosporium protects against allergy. Difference between algae and fungi. Algae, fungi. Algae are autotrophs. Fungi are heterotrophs. They have pigments. They have no pigments. Reserve food material is starch. Reserve food materials are glycogen and oil. Some algae are prokaryotic in nature. Example, cyanobacteria, Nostoc anabina. All are eukaryotic nature. Agaricus. Do you know? Penicillin is known as Queen of Medicine. It was discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming in 1922. Bryophytes. Bryophytes are the primitive and simplest group of plants. These are terrestrial and non-vascular cryptogames. They have no vascular tissues like xylem and phloem. Bryophytes live on land and in water. Therefore, they are named as amphibians of plant kingdom. Water is essential to complete their life cycle. Bryophytes have distinct alternation of generation. Gametophyte generation is dominant and sporophytic generation is small. Sporophytic generation depends on the gametophytic generation. The gametophytic plant can be either thalloid, liverworts, or leafy mosses. The plant remains fixed to the substratum with the help of root-like structure called rhizoid. Sexual reproduction is oogamous type. They have well-developed sex organs like antheridia and archegonia. The male sex organ is antheridium, which produces anthrozoid. The female sex organ is archegonium, which contains an egg. Anthrozoid swims with the help of water and reaches the archegonium. It fertilizes the egg and forms zygote 2n. Zygote is the first cell which develops into sporophytic generation and produces haploid spore N by meiosis. Spore is the first cell of the gametophytic generation. Classification of bryophytes. Bryophytes are classified into three classes. They are Hepatica, liverworts, Anthocerata, hornworts, musky, mosses. Hepatica. Example, Riccia. These are lower forms of bryophytes. They are simple in structure than moss. Sporophyte is very simple and short-lived. Anthocerata. Example, Anthocerus. Gametophyte is undifferentiated thallus. Rhizoids are unicellular and unbranched. Protonemal stage is absent. Sporophyte is differentiated into foot and capsule only. Musky. Example, Funaria. These are higher forms in which the gametophyte is differentiated into stem, leaf and root-like parts. Protonemal stage is absent. Sporophytes are differentiated into foot, seta and capsule. Economic importance of the bryophytes. Bryophytes prevent soil erosion. Bryophytes prevent soil erosion. Sphagnum can absorb large amount of water. Hence, it is used by the gardeners in nursery. Peat, which is a valuable fuel like coal, is obtained from sphagnum. Pteridophytes. Pteridophytes are the first true land plants with xylem and phloem. Hence, they are called vascular cryptogames. The main plant body is differentiated into true root, stem and leaves. Pteridophytes also exhibit alternation of generation. The diploid sporophytic phase alternates with a haploid gametophytic phase. Sporophyte is the dominant phase. Sporophytes reproduce by means of spores. Spores are produced in sporangium. The sporangia bearing leaves are called sporophyll. Most of the plants produce only one type of spore, either microspore or megaspore, homosporous. In some plants, both microspore and megaspore are produced, heterosporous. Spores gives rise to gametophytic generation called prothallus, which is short-lived and independent. The gametophytes produce the multicellular sex organs, Antheridium, which produces anthrozoite male gamete, and Archegonium, which contains an egg female gamete. The anthrozoite fertilizes the egg and form diploid zygote. It develops into an embryo which is differentiated into sporophyte. Classification of pteridophytes. Pteridophytes are classified into four classes. They are Silapsida, Silotum, Lycopsida, Lycopodium, Sphenopsida, Ecosetum, Pteropsida, Nephrolephes. More to know. Lycopodium is known as club moss. Ecosetum is known as horsetail. Economic importance of pteridophytes. Ferns are used as ornamental plants. The rhizome and petioles of Dryopteris yield the vermifuge drug. The sporocarp of Marsilia, water fern, it is used as food by some people. Difference between bryophytes and pteridophytes. Bryophytes. The plant body cannot be differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Plant body can be differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Bryophytes are amphibians. Pteridophytes are true land plants. Vascular tissues are absent. Vascular tissues are present. The dominant phase of the plant body is gametophyte. The dominant phase of the plant body is sporophyte. Sporophytic generation depends on the gametophytic generation. Example, Rixia. Gametophytic generation does not depend on sporophytic generation. Example, Selaginella. Hello students, this is a time for reading. Okay, we can read today's homework questions. Today's homework, first Roman 3 and 4. Question number 3 and 4. Write any two characters of dicotyledons. Write any two characters of dicotyledons. Leaves have reticulate venation. Leaves have reticulate venation. Taproot system is present. Taproot system is present. Leaves have reticulate venation. Taproot system is present. The fourth question. Seeds of gymnosperm plants are naked. Why? Seeds of gymnosperm plants are naked. Why? Basically, in gymnosperms, there is no development of fruits. Basically, in gymnosperms, there is no development of fruits. Gymnosperms are plants that have naked seeds called ovules. Example, Cedrus agathis. Basically, in gymnosperms, there is no development of fruits. Gymnosperms are plants that have naked seeds called ovules. Example, Cedrus agathis. So next is second Roman 2 and 3. Question number 2 and 3. Write any three economic importance of algae. Write any three economic importance of algae. Economic importance of algae. Food. Algae are consumed as food by the people in Japan, England and also in India. Example, Chlorella, alva, etc. Some algae are used as a food for domestic animals. Example, Laminaria, Ascophyllum. Algae are consumed as food by the people in Japan, England and also in India. Example, Chlorella, alva, etc. Some algae are used as a food for domestic animals. Example, Laminaria, Ascophyllum. Agriculture. Some of the blue-green algae are essential. Some of the blue-green algae are essential for the fixing of atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, which increases the fertility of the soil. Example, Nostoc anabina. Some of the blue-green algae are essential for the fixing of atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, which increases the fertility of the soil. Example, Nostoc and anabina. SCP, single cell protein. SCP, single cell protein. Some of the single cell algae and blue-green algae are used to produce protein. Some of the single cell algae and blue-green algae are used to produce protein. Example, Chlorella, spirulina. The third question, write the difference between algae and fungi. Write the difference between algae and fungi. Algae. Algae are autotrophs. Fungi. Fungi are heterotrophs. It has pigments. It has no pigments. It stores starch. It stores glycogen and oil. Some algae are prokaryotic in nature. Example, cyanobacteria. All are eukaryotic nature. Agaricus. Algae are autotrophs. Fungi are heterotrophs. It has pigments. It has no pigments. It stores starch. It stores glycogen and oil. Some algae are prokaryotic in nature. Example, cyanobacteria. All are eukaryotic nature. Example, agaricus. Next, third Roman 1 and 3 question. Third Roman, first question. Draw the outline of Bentham and Hooker's system of classification. Outline of Bentham and Hooker's system of classification. Seeded plants, division, dicotyledone, gymnosperme, monocotyledone. Polypetalae, synpetalae, monoclamidae. Polypetalae, thalamiflora, disciflora, caliciflora. Inferae, heteromerae, bicarpellate. Series 8 family 36. Okay. So next, third question. Write the economic importance of gymnosperms. Write the economic importance of gymnosperms. Woods of many coniferous are used in the paper industries. Woods of many coniferous are used in the paper industries. Example, Pinus and Agathis. Conifers are the source of softwood which is used in construction, packing, plywood industry. Example, Cedrus agathis. Turpentine is an essential oil used for paint preparation which is extracted from the resin of pines. Turpentine is also used as medicine to get relief from pain and bronchitis, example, etc. Ephedrine is an alkaloid extracted from ephedra. It cures asthma and respiratory problems. Once again, I'll read for you. Woods of many conifers are used in the paper industries. Example, Pinus and Agathis. Conifers are the sources of softwood which is used in construction, packing and plywood industries. Example, Cedrus agathis. Turpentine is an essential oil used for paint preparation which is extracted from the resin of pines. Turpentine is also used as medicine to get relief from pain and bronchitis. Ephedrine is an alkaloid extracted from ephedra. It cures asthma and respiratory problems. Okay. So that's all, students. These are the questions you have to read today and do your homework properly. If you have any doubt, ask with your concerned teacher. Thank you so much.